Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to create lead generation ads on Google Ads. So let us directly go into the platform and I will show you how to create lead generation ads. Okay, let me open Google Ads. Okay, and let me start creating a new campaign. So let's go into new campaign. Select objective as leads and use the conversion goal as submit lead forms. Okay, and then continue. And here we have different campaign types. We can go with search, demand gen, video, any of this thing. But for now, we are going to look at search campaign with lead generation. And here I am going to select lead form submissions. Okay, and next I'm going to continue. After that, give a name, a proper name which is easy to remember for you to understand. So I'll just say, lead campaign. Like, let's say if this is any product related, service related, your company name, you can just say, write your brand name, write the product or service name, and just say lead form, lead form campaign, right? So, and just click on continue. Okay. And keep the bidding as clicks, as we are starting this campaign newly for now. And you can ignore this one and click on next. These are ticked by default, so I recommend to untick this one because this is going to waste a lot of your spend, because it is going to show your ads on different search partner sites and also the display network. So usually you get very low quality leads from these sites or partners, so just ignore that. And next, choose your location, whichever location you want to advertise for, right? Let me choose United States and choose the language. Okay, and next, audience. So this is not required for now for the search campaign. Okay, and click on more settings and you have all these options, but I think we can leave it for now. All of these, you want to schedule this, in a particular time, the campaign, you can do that, right? But these are all not needed at this point of time, but let's move forward. Click on next. And this is an AI related one. Like, we are going to give the URL of our website and it is going to, generate the headlines, descriptions, and also suggest the keywords, right? We are going to skip this and do this activity manually, because we know better than AI in terms of understanding our business and what headlines to write, what descriptions to write, right? So let's just skip it for now. And here are the keywords which you can put, right? And here is the ad. You have to add all those details, right? First of all, let's just say, we are a company who is selling courses, right? We are giving training and selling courses on digital marketing, right? Then our keywords would be digital marketing course, digital marketing training. I think you should have your keyword research ready. If you think that you need how to do keyword research, please, write down a comment. So I will create a video, separate video on that. Okay. And next, creation of ads. So your keywords are done. So this is in broad match for now. I've kept it. You can use phrase match or exact match depending upon your, budget availability, at which phase you are in your business, right? And now we are going to create the ads. Here you are going to give your final URL, which could be your website URL if you're if you cannot afford creating a landing page or something. Like, if you don't have a team who could do that, you could have that final URL as your website. Or if you have a landing page, dedicated landing page for your business, put your final URL over here. And this is the display path. For example, let me put google.com, right? And now this says digital. Okay, let me just say market because it's exceeding. Okay, and headlines, you have 15 headlines, right? So make sure you write all those headlines relevant to your website. Make sure you are including your keywords. What are the popular keywords, the keywords which has higher search volume? Make sure you include those with proper sense. The headline should make a proper sense, right? And add your USPs. Add 3 to 4 call to action buttons. Add some of the features of your product or services, right? So all these things you add, so and you make it a 15 headlines. And same with descriptions. Add 4 descriptions over here, right? And write your business name over here. Add your logo over here, and you have extensions like the prominent or like the call out and the cyclic extensions, right? So, and one of those extensions is our lead form extensions, right? So this is how you create your lead forms. So whenever someone clicks on your ad, this lead form will pop up, and they have an option to fill out their first name, last name, and other details which differs from each business. Right now, let's just click on lead forms, right? So headline, this is asking a headline. So I'll just say digital marketing training, right? Write the business name, write the description. Right? And next is, what is the information you want to collect from the user, right? So by default, you would need name, right? So check name, and you want, as 2 separate boxes, fields. Use this. If you want only one field as a full name, you can use this. Next is email, phone number, definitely, because we want to contact them. Any business want to contact them either by email or by calling them, or maybe a WhatsApp message, right? If you want to capture the country or city or the postal code, right, you can add that, right? For now, let's just say we want city. And if you want to know any other details of your customer, right, you have an option to create questions over here, right? You can create a question, whichever question you want, right? So you have a lot of questions over here. Let's say this one, or you could have a multiple question or just a short answer where they want to reply back to you. If you have a multiple choice question, you have options to give, and they are going to take it. And click on new question, and you have some predefined questions over here. And next, give your privacy policy URL. Your website would have a privacy policy URL. Make sure you give that, and add a background image. Whenever this forms opens, you will see image over here. Okay, and next is form submission message, right? So whenever someone submits their details and click on submit button, right, there's a message which is displayed. So you can write your own message here. Thank you for filling your details, right? Or you can say thanks for sharing your details. We will contact you within 4 hours or 24 hours or something, right? So that is a message, thank you message after they fill the form, which you want to give, right? Along with that, you want the people to explore your website. You want to give a particular URL to them, a link to your website where they want to explore the website. Is definitely you can give that over here. And next is a call to action, right? So make sure you give a proper call to action over here, which is more relevant to your business. Like you have some of the options over here, right? If you are an education related company, if you want if students are your customers who want to apply for some education programs, you can do this. If you are a hospital, clinic, if you want people to book appointment, you can do this. Or you want to give some offer, use this, get an offer, or join now if you want something to be joined in any course or something like that. You can do you use this join now. Or if you are promoting a webinar or something, you can use register. Or if you are a product company or a tech company, you have a software and you want to give a demo to your customers, you can do that, right? So you have a lot of options over here which suits your business. You can choose one of those, right? And here is your other option where you want to integrate your form with your CRM, right? You must be using some CRM to capture your leads, right? You must be using HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zoho, or if you are managing it through Google Sheet, you can also collect all your leads. You have an option to directly connect with Zapier, and you have a option lead form type. So you have two options: more volume or more qualified, right? So more volume is like you leave the form as it is, and more qualified is something you have a review step where you have to review all these details, because some people directly click on submit without seeing any details, and later it turns out to be a bad quality lead, right? So we want them to properly review those details, right, and then submit it. Some people, because you have your name and email logged into your mobile devices or your laptop, so your name, email, phone number will be automatically filled into the form, so they just click on submit. So make sure you have a extra qualified step. So I think I recommend this one to have, because quality is important than more quantity, right? So click on save, right? Once you have all these details filled, you can click on save, right? And your search campaign will be having a form attached to it. So whenever someone is searching for that particular keyword and your ad appears, and when the person clicks on the ad, you have a form coming up with some questions pre-filled, like name, email, phone number, if that data is already available with Google. That's all. This is how you create lead generation ads. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and support me, and also hit a like button so that it reaches to more people. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this.